In this video, I'm going to show you the method I use to turn a lace pattern into a textured fabric. This technique works with any lace pattern. It keeps the lace feeling, but makes the piece much more wearable. And if you're planning something special, combining the textured version with the original lace is a wonderful idea. Here you can see the lace chart, the original swatch, and my reworked version, all based on the same lace pattern. You may have already seen the lace version in one of my previous videos. If you're interested, you'll find the link in the description. Basics. The repeat is 10 stitches over 14 rows. For this pattern, cast on a multiple of 10 stitches, plus 1 for symmetry, plus your edge stitches. For the edges, I use a yarn over plus slip 1 at the beginning of the row and knit them together at the end. And now, let's see how it's done. Rows 1, 3, and 5 are worked exactly the same. Edge stitch. We follow the lace chart. Knit 1. At every stitch that appears directly before the LP, the little downward triangle symbol, we lift the left leg from the previous row back onto the left needle. And purl it. On the wrong side, work this stitch as a purl, or as a knit stitch if you're working in the round. Slip slip knit. Knit 5. Knit 2 stitches together. Lift and purl. This is one repeat of the pattern. Repeat until you have 1 stitch left before the edge stitch. Knit 1 symmetry stitch and finish with edge stitch. All even rows. Flat knitting, purl all stitches between your edge stitches. In the round, knit all stitches. Row 7. Edge stitch. Knit 1. Lift and purl. Knit 3. Double left leaning decrease. Knit 3. Lift and purl. Repeat until you have 1 stitch left before the edge stitch. Knit 1 symmetry stitch and finish with the edge stitch. Row 9, edge stitch, knit 2, lift and purl, knit 2, double left leaning decrease, knit 2, lift and purl, knit 1. Repeat until you have 1 stitch left before the edge stitch. Knit 1 symmetry stitch and finish with edge stitch. Row 11, edge stitch, knit 3, lift and purl, knit 1, double left leaning decrease, knit 1, lift and purl, knit 2, repeat until you have 1 stitch left before the edge stitch. Knit 1 symmetry stitch and finish with edge stitch. Row 13, edge stitch, knit 4, lift and purl, double left leaning decrease, lift and purl, knit 3, repeat until you have 1 stitch left before the edge stitch. Knit 1 symmetry stitch and finish with edge stitch. Look at that beautiful texture. Repeat rows 1 to 14 for the desired length.